This is a 2004 Acura RSX, and I have a check engine light on. So this is the code I got. This is a P0134 2004 Acura RSX. So I went to the repair manual, and this is the code P0134, and it's the air fuel ratio sensor 1. Okay, so now I have a diagram here. This is coming from the repair manual. This is the air fuel sensor replacement. Okay, so you need special tools, and it gives you the number of that tool. This is the number, or also there's something equivalent, and it's available. Any auto parts, or store that sells tools. And this is the sensor. Okay, there's 2 sensors in there. This is number 2, and this is the one for this code, P0134. So this is the instructions to. It's very simple. It's not complicated. Disconnect the connector, and then remove the sensor. Okay, this is the connector wiring, the sensor. And this is how you install it back. It's only reverse order. First the sensor, and then the connector. Okay, and this one, it's for the sensor next to the P0, next to this code that I'm in, P0134. Okay, so there are 2 different sensors. They're just next to each other. So this, if you have this code right now, you don't need this. Okay, so I'm gonna go under the car, and I'm gonna show you exactly where this is. Okay, I'm under the car, and as you saw in the diagram, there was 2 sensors, and this is the one that this is number 1. This is the one that needs to be replaced. Okay, so that's the front of the car. That's the front. So it's right here, and that's the back of the car. Okay, so and they're as you can see, they're next to each other, but this is the one that needs to be replaced. And this is the wiring. Okay, just follow this wiring. Maybe this, if you have something like this, you can just grab some cutters, cut it, and this is the connector. Okay, so just disconnect this. Disconnect it, and remove the sensor. Now on the repair manual, it tells you there's a special socket, oxygen sensor socket, and from here you can maybe think that you can use a wrench. This is a 22 millimeter wrench, and it's the correct size, but you're not going to be able to turn it, because this is on the way. This is on the way. This is on the way, and this is on the way. So you can put a wrench here. You see, fits very well, but you cannot turn it. So that's why they recommend to use one of those oxygen sensor sockets, and just try to put some WD-40. Be patient, and you should be able to remove it. Okay, and if you're under the vehicle, just never work under a vehicle without jack stands. I have two on each side, wheel locks, okay, and also your emergency brake. So this is the P0134 sensor. This is the location. Okay, this is the wiring. Disconnect it and put the new one. The torque specification for this is 33 foot-pounds, so I also recommend you to torque it to specification. So hopefully this video helps you. Share it, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe.